Hey friend, this is Anil, and in this video, we are going to discuss Microsoft Project Overview with Project Online. Right? So, in my previous video, we have already discussed how we can download and install Microsoft Project and how we can connect Microsoft Project with Project Web App. So, if you didn't watch my previous video, then before proceeding, watch first. So, here, just create a blank project, and in this blank project, suppose a project manager is going to create a plan for his project, right? So I already told you that Microsoft project is used for project management or project planning, right? So this is right now is manual schedule. If you will see over here, if I'll click on the auto schedule, automatically date will be picked over here, right? So manual schedule, schedule, duration, dependency, predecessor, everything in I will describe in my next video. So in this video we are going to just discuss the overview, right? So if I'll click on just save button, then here you can see it's saving on my PWA. I'll just click on the save, and here it's asking me the project name. So I'll provide project underscore 003, and here is the type project or template. So now we are going to create a project. Just click on save button, right? So once I will save, my project is saved on project web app. Now if I want to publish this project plan automatically will be published on project web app, right? So once this will be published, it means the project will be appear in project center, and the second thing, this project will be a part of your organization, right? And on this project on this project, your the team member can just you can see over here your team member. Suppose if you have a team member over here, then team member will be appear in a resource name, right? And from here also, if you want to see, you can build your team, right? So suppose a resource has been assigned on a task, then resource just go in task center, okay, and he can see task over here, or he will be notified by the email that a task has been assigned to you by your project manager, right? So once he will just fill the actuals from here. So right now actually there is no task because we have not created any resource. In my later video I will let you know how we can create resource and how we can assign a resource on a task, right? So once a resource will just submit the actuals from here, and he will just click on the save, right? Then project manager will go in approval center, okay, and the task will appear in project center, in project manager approval center, right? From here a project manager can take action, like if you will see this is the gray out, accept or reject, right? Because here is no task. So we are going to just discuss the overview of Microsoft project with project online, right? So once he will accept that, this task will be appear in project planning, right? So your project plan automatically updated, okay. So once you will go in project center, and if you will see your project plan from here, means a project manager will go in project center, and he will see that task will be completed by 5 or 10% as per the submission of the team member, right? So also over here in the project center, if you will see the percentage, right now it's a 0%, but once a team member will submit the task and a project manager will approve, it will be automatically increase the percentage complete, okay. And if project manager will reject the task, that means a team member can resubmit that task, just change in the actuals, right? So this is the complete overview of the project online with Microsoft project, right? So in my later video we will discuss everything step by step, as I told you in my first video what we are going to cover with Microsoft project with project online, right? So that's it for today. Thanks for watching a video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.